Welcome back guys, the another tutorial of Linux Kings. This is the part third of user management. Okay, in the part first and second we have learned about the management of user, how to add, remove, and some more information about the user. And in part second we studied the management, how to create multiple user and groups at one time. Okay, so in this tutorial we gonna to learn how to add multiple user in groups at the same time. So it is very important for a system admin. If you works as a system admin, so it becomes very important to automate your work. Okay, if you will add user one by one, then it will take more time, it will be time consuming for you. So to automate your work, you have to use some script and programming. Okay, so for that, to create a user and add user in the multiple groups, we are gonna to use this script. Okay, so first I will go to the terminal. Okay, this is my terminal here. So here we have to put some programming, that is for z and the name of groups which you want to create. Okay, so here I am creating 3 groups, that is army, okay, navy and air force. Okay, so you can create accordingly. Okay, but before g after g you have to put in, okay, input the name of groups. For g in and the name of groups which you want to add, you can create 10, 20, 30 groups. Okay, how much you required. I am here creating only 3 groups. Okay, now after this hit enter and type do. Okay, and after this we have to type group add. Okay, group add, and then we have to type the symbol of dollar and bracket g. Okay, after this hit enter. Now what we'll have to do, we have to create users here. Okay, for that we have to type for I. Okay, I source user in and symbol this seq. Okay, and here I am creating user 100 to 200. Okay, and then close this. After this you will hit enter. You can change the numeric digit here according yourself. You can create from 1000 to 2000 or 1000 to 1100. Okay, or 1 to 100 of your choice. Okay, next to this, here we have to type do, and then we will type here user add command. Okay, and then -g. Okay, and here we will type dollar symbol 3 times, and then we will type group. Okay, here we have to give space. Again we have to type g here, and after third dollar we will type I here. Okay, first 2g are for the groups. Okay, and third is the I. Okay, first shows here which group, okay, it belongs to from which group, and here the group name, and here is the sequence of user. Okay, that is from 100. Okay, next to this we will hit enter. Again we have to give the command to add user in group, okay, of his group. Now for that we have to use the user mode command, that is user mode -G. Okay, and then we will type the same. Okay, as above we write dollar bracket g. Okay, again dollar bracket g, again dollar bracket g. Okay, you have to keep it remember that after first group bracket there is a space. Okay, in the both places. Okay, now hit enter. Now it's all done. Okay, the first done is for the user add, and second is for the add user in group. Okay, now you will see that your group and user is creating. Okay, it will take little time when creating. Now it will automate your work. All users related to army will add in army group, and related to navy group will add in the navy group. And if you want to add air force group, you can add air force group users in the air force group. So it is quite easy, but you have to be careful whenever performing this. You must put every symbol at its place. Okay, you can't use your own script here. Okay, so let's check that it is created or not. So for that we have to go to its file etc and pass wd. Okay, this is for user. I am checking here user. You can see that user from 100 to 200 is created. I will scroll up here. Okay, so now you can see from 100 to 200 Air Force has been created. Now you can see Navy 200 here, that is here. Okay, now I will show you Navy 100 as well, so you can scroll it and you can see. Okay, now we will check that it is added in group or not, in the same group or not. So for that we have to go to group file that stays in cat etc group. Okay, so now you can see there is a group. Okay, first I will show you about the Air Force. Okay, here it is the Air Force group, and the users of Air Force group are these. Okay, from 100 to 200. So in this way there are the Navy user, that is here, and the user are from 100 to 200, you can see. So in this way you can add multiple users in the group at the same time. Here you can also watch about the Army group, same is here. Okay, this is group and this is their user. Okay, so this was all about to add multiple user in their groups. Okay, but if you want to delete multiple users from the group, now what you have to do? Okay, for that we will type here for G in and the name of groups which you want to delete. Okay, I am here deleting only 2 groups. You can delete all or you can keep all. Okay, for your knowledge I am deleting here 2 groups, that is Navy and Air Force. Okay, got it? For G in Navy and Air Force I want to delete. Next to this do option. Okay, and for I, okay, in the same script that we run during the creating of users. Okay, now seq, okay, and 100 space 200 and close this, hit enter, do. Okay, now we have to type gpasswd. Do you remember what is the use of gpasswd? Gpasswd command is used to remove users from a group. Okay, so we are writing this command here, dollar, okay, group in bracket, okay, and dollar I space dollar, sorry, dollar and G. Okay, here you will see little change in script. So here I tell you that this GI, okay, this dollar $GI stand for the user and this G stand for the group. So when we add user, the group come first and users come later, but when we remove the user from the group, then user come first and group name come after. Okay, so this is why I am change this script. Okay, now hit enter. After this we will put the user command. Okay, hit enter, hyphen R, okay, and dollar bracket G, again dollar, again dollar, hyphen I, okay, I. Okay, now hit enter, now type done and again done. Now you can see that removing of user is started. Okay, which user you want to remove, you can remove in this way. You can remove user from the group by using this script. So it is quite easy, but just only you have to keep in mind the first script. When you through interchanging the commands, you can do anything here. Okay, you can set password as I told in my previous video, okay, about how to give the same password to user. So here in the same way we can give password to the user as well. Okay, so I am here deleting the user from the groups. So one important thing is here, it deletes only the user from system and user from the group, but it doesn't delete a group. Okay, you can check here cat etc and group. Okay, hit enter. Now you can see there are the group still exists, but its user has been deleted. Okay, now you have to manually delete this group. Okay, later you can add the user in this group. So this was all about how to add users in multiple groups at one time. We can also automate this with the bash script. I will bring a new video for that. So guys, if you like my videos, please hit the like option and also subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.